Hi guys!
I'm Kurt.
I'm Daryl.
And welcome to No One Knows
But Never Knows!
Okay, so Daryl, ano ba yung segment na to?
Yung segment na to, it's all about our boss. Dito natin malalaman yung mga deepest dark secrets niya.
Wow!
Kung anong mga talents niya.
Yung mga hidden talents na
talents
ating Miss Melly Malimento. And of course, yung mga nagtanong rin tayo sa kanya, diba, ng mga questions na sa tingin natin ay interesting, na hindi alam ng ating mga viewers natin ngayon.
Ano mga MSP.
Yes, correct. So, guys, here is our episode, No One Knows But Never Knows!
Sa unang tanong, boss, sa unang naming tanong ni Kurt, ano ba yung feeling nung maging head ng MSP program?
Head ng MSP program? It's actually a very challenging job kasi you have to scout for the right students to actually represent Microsoft in their school. At the same time, pag nahanap mo niyo yung tamang set ng students, you have to help them develop their skills, their personalities, and all that. So, medyo tough job siya. Pero at the same time, it's very rewarding and I feel very honored to actually work with very talented students like you guys. So, kasi diba parang bata-bata nyo pa, and yet you have all these activities, you're able to balance your school, and then at the same time, these extracurricular activities and stuff.
Okay, so nasabi nyo kanina na this is kind of tough. Parang yung job natin is kind of tough. So, what is it that you love or hate about your job?
Live and hate about my job.
Yeah, it's actually the one you love about your job and the one you hate about your job.
Well, sabi ko nga, ang trabaho ay parang nakikipag-relation.
Yun yun!
So, kailangan may love mo yung ginagawa mo. Pero at the same time, syempre, tama ka nga, may mga things na medyo off, diba? Siguro, one thing that I love about my job is being able to connect with people, especially with students. I really love talking to students, getting to know them and stuff. And one thing that I love then is, hindi ako nakakulong sa cubicle. So, I get to go out,
Explore.
Explore schools. In fact, siguro pag nagkaanak ko, alam ko na kung saan pag-aaralin, yung mga gano'n, diba? So, there's something that I hate about my job. Wala akong maiisip, right?
Oh!
Yeah, it's an ideal job kasi hindi ka na-stuck sa isang lugar. Well, we have flexi time. Then, yun nga, I get to practice my creativity, you know, when you think of anong klaseng campaign ba dapat gawin ko to promote this and that, diba, yung mga ganyan. So, it's a very challenging job. Pero, I love my job.
Of course. Who doesn't?
Well, if you're not happy about your job, diba? I'm very much happy with my job. So, with what I'm doing.
So, since pinag-usapan na natin is yung job, ano ba yung nakukuha niyo, boss, na mga benefits sa job?
Benefits. Siyempre, hindi natin pag-uusapan ng mga monetary value, et cetera, et cetera. Siguro, benefits, one benefit would be being able to travel around town, around the Philippines, diba? So, you get to experience not only the culture of the school, but actually yung culture ng lugar na pinupuntahan mo. So, siguro, isa na yun sa mga person na trabaho.
Okay, so napag-usapan natin yung going around or anywhere. So, what are your most favorite MSPs or MSP moments? And what are those least favorite least favorite naman natin?
Madaming most, walang least.
Kasi super enjoy, right?
Most memorable, favorite ba o memorable? Favorite, madami kasi. Kasi I always have fun when I work with MSPs. Kasi, well, I don't know if it's because that I like what I'm doing, but I actually enjoy working with them, you know, kahit sa meeting. Parang, although serious na may goal kaming dapat ma-achieve, pero hindi ganun kasi kabigat na parang, oh my God, diba?
Parang you don't take it as serious.
As seriously, yeah. Pero, well, hindi naman. I take everything serious. Pero, alam mo yun, na-enjoy ako. So, madami talaga akong most favorite moment. So, nandyan yung Kasi iba medyo personal na. So, one thing I love about my job din, kasi ang dami kong friends na nagiging. So, even when you ask yung mga ibang MSP alumni, so some of them became very good friends of mine. So, diba? So, yun. So, madami talaga akong memorable and favorite MSP moments. At hindi ko kayang enumerate lahat.
Many to mention.
Many to mention, kumbaga, ano ba yun sa slum?
Tsaka kung pala sa ERD, many to many.
Oh, yeah. So, madami.
So, balik ulit tayo dun sa trabaho niyo, boss. Ano ba yung crazy na experience niyo dun sa trabaho niyo? Na nangyari dun sa trabaho niyo?
Madami. Yung kausap ko mga MSP, it's always crazy. Joke lang. And then, kasi tuloy niya, lagi naman, kasi diba tayo naman, when we work together, lagi tayo naglolokohan, ganyan, diba, para everyone's happy, and all. Crazy, siguro hindi crazy, pero isang bagay na hindi ko malilimutan nangyari sa work ko, was when I was presenting for this event. So the crowd was really full of open source people, Linux users, and all that. And then I said, this is how Microsoft envisions the future. After I said those words, nag-blue screen yung laptop ko.
Parang,
epic, di ba? So yun, siguro yun lang yung isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan experience.
Kailan yun, boss?
Last year? Last year lang.
Kaya napaka-epic naman.
Ang epic talaga. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Well, anyway, hindi naman mean yung crowd ko na. So parang, okay lang sa akin.
Baka natakot.
Sabi nga sa speaker training natin yun, nasa tamang project.
Correct. Nasa projection natin. Okay, so, eto, kasi may mga MSPs na hindi alam ang isang merit na rin. So, ano ba yung top 5 things na you never leave for work without?
Ay, madami. Kaya top 5.
Yung mga hindi alam ng lahat ng MSPs.
Picture ni,
Pumipicture.
Pumipicture. Top 5 things. One is, of course, yung ID ko. Kasi hindi ako makakapasok na walang ID.
Okay.
And then, you have my... I can't live without it because I usually listen to music, play games, diba, on the way from home to the office, and pag-read, and of course, yung Kikay Kit ko, nandun na lahat yun, so, supply, oil.
Sino namang babae yung walang Kikay Kit?
Exactly. Mga lalaki ngayon may Kikay Kit.
Yes!
So,
secret. Alam ko yan, secret.
Yes, syempre.
Kapag tinatagong Kikay Kit.
Okay.
Ilan na ba? 3. So, okay, I have my wallet, of course, nandun na, ATM and credit card included. And of course, last is my mobile phone, kahit na medyo sira siya ngayon. I still bring it with me for communication.
Magmamakaawa na bigyan ng bagong phone.
Palitan ko na daw siya. Gusto niya ng humanity.
Naghihinga daw.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Kurt, may tatanong ko ba sa ating boss?
Well, I guess lahat na natin nalaman na tungkol sa ating, di ba?
Siguro may part 2 para dito.
Correct. Kasi parang, di ba, parang
Kayo, kung may gusto kayong itanong,
karagdagan.
Post nyo lang sa aming Facebook, facebook.com/msacadph.
Yes.
Tanong lang kayo tungkol sa ating head na si Miss Mary.
And sasagutin niya yun, promise.
Or really? Not really. Or if you have any questions about our academic programs, or if you have questions for our MSPs, you can post it online. So, facebook.com/msacadph.
Nandun lang kami. Sasagutin namin lahat ng tanong. Siyempre, kung tungkol sa mga subjects nyo yan, willing kami na ituro sa inyo kung ano yung mga nalalaman namin.
Yes, and para sa inyo to, kaya namin ito ginagawa. So, thank you very much, Miss Melly Valamento, for this time and for the time you've shared for us. Okay?
Next segment ulit. Kita-kits ulit.
Bye!
Bye-bye!